Hello students, welcome you all to GK class 10, standard 3rd, lesson number 26, art and artist. Match the names of the artist with their pictures and the art they are associated most with. They gave here some pictures, okay, and names, we have to match them. First one is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is a Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is a well-known sitar player. He is a well-known sitar player. So first answer is D, sitar player. Second one is Leonardo da Vinci. He is a painter. He is a painter. So second question answer is A, painter. Third one, A.R. Rahman. He is a music composer and singer. A.R. Rahman, he is a music composer and singer. Next fourth one, Michael Jackson. He is a pop singer. Michael Jackson. Okay. Next, fifth one, Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar, you know, no? She is a singer, Indian singer. She is a Lata Mangeshkar. She is a Indian singer. Okay. Next, sixth one, Amitabh Bachchan. You know this all things, yes or no? He is a Amitabh Bachchan and he is an actor. Yes or no? He is an actor. Okay. So one more time I will repeat. First one, Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is a sitar player. So first one answer is D. Second one, Leonardo da Vinci. He is a painter. Third one, A.R. Rahman. Answer is music composer and singer. Fourth one, Michael Jackson. Answer is pop singer. Fifth one, Lata Mangeshkar. Answer is B, Indian singer. Okay. Sixth one, Amitabh Bachchan. Answer is actor. This completes your lesson number 26. Okay. Next, move to lesson number 27. Games and sports. You can see here they have given some pictures. Judo. Okay. This is wrestling. You can see wrestling. This is archery. ಬಿಲ್ಲು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ archery. This is gymnastic. This one is ice hockey. Rowing. Bowling. This is cycling and this is basketball. Okay. Find the names of the sports shown here in the grid. They gave a grid. We had to find the names of these sports and games in this. Okay. You can see here from this side to this we can see archery. Okay. Next here we can find bowling. Here we can see cycling, judo, wrestling. Then here we can find basketball, rowing. Here you can find gymnastic. And here we can find ice hockey. Okay, these are the some of the sports. Okay, you can see here there is judo, wrestling, archery, gymnastic, ice hockey, rowing, bowling, cycling and basketball. Next we move to next lesson, lesson number 28. Beach water and sports. Okay, they gave some pictures of the water sports here. We have to write the name of that. Name these sports. Okay, you can see first one. This sports is called as a wind surfing. What we'll call a wind surfing. Next, second one. This is called as a parasailing. Parasailing. Next, third one. This is called as a jet skiing. Jet skiing. Next, fourth one. This one is surfing. Called as a surfing. Fifth one is water skiing. Water skiing. And sixth one, you can see here, it's a beach volleyball. Okay. So first one is wind surfing. Second one, parasailing. Third one, jet skiing. Fourth one, surfing. Fifth one, water skiing. And sixth one is beach volleyball. This completes your lesson number 28. Next, move to lesson number 29. Traditional games. Traditional games ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಕಡೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀರಿ? ವಿಚ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಹೌಸ್? ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ದಂಡ, ಲಗೋರಿ, ಲಂಗಡಿ. This will play, no? This is called as the traditional games. Match these traditional Indian games with their pictures. One side they gave the about the information of that game, and one more side they gave the picture. We had to match it. Okay. First one is Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda is played in the rural areas and small towns. Gilli Danda ನೋಡಿರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಆಡೋದು ನೋಡಿರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಈ ಗೇಮಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ದಂಡ. ಓಕೆ. So we had to match first one to E. Okay. Next one is Chapar. Chapar was a family board game. Its board was made of cloth. The pawns were made of wood and 6 small shells were used as a dice. Chapar. Okay, answer is C. ಇದು ನೋಡಿರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಾಪಾಲ್ ಗೇಮನ್ನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಂಗಡಿ. ಲಂಗಡಿ is a traditional Indian field sport. ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಲೆಗ್ we will play. Like this we will play langdi. Okay. See here girls how they are playing langdi. Beautiful, no? Yeah. Next, Lagori. Lagori is a game played between two teams using a ball and a pile of flat stones. It is also called Satolia. Okay. Lagori ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 teams ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬಿದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲಗೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಖೋಖೋ. ಖೋಖೋ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ traditional sports in India. It is an outdoor game. It involves chasing and running by the players. ಖೋಖೋ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಖೋಖೋ. This is picture of ಖೋಖೋ game. Okay, this completes your lesson number 29, traditional games. Next lesson number 30, about computer. Okay, this is your last lesson about computer. Computers are being used in every field nowadays due to their speed, efficiency and accuracy. Yes or no? So, we had to match the terms with their meanings here. First one is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Answer is C. Answer is C. That is this one. CPU ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Brain of the computer. The brain of the computer interprets and carries out program instructions. So first answer is C. Second one, hardware. Hardware, answer is F. The physical parts of a computer. Mouse ಇರಲಿ, ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಕೀಪ್ಯಾಡ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಮೆನ್ಯೂ. ಮೆನ್ಯೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ. A list of options or topics that users can choose from. Okay, answer is E. Fourth one, software. Software ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ used by a computer. So answer is B. Fifth one, website. A place on the internet to get information, see pictures or videos, find maps, learn new things. Okay, this is called a website. Next, password. Password ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಕೋಡ್, ನಿಮ್ಗಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಯೂಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರೆ? ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Bold. Second one, B. Answer is second one is answer is italics. First one is bold. Third one, you can see they did underline here, so answer is underline. Fourth one, it is given in color, so answer is font color. Okay, this completes your lesson number 30. Thank you.